Jessica Squad. We have a dollhouse right here. It's really looking bad as it is. So we decided we're gonna turn it into a haunted house. Yeah. Hi, good job. Yes, we're gonna turn it into a haunted house. We're giving this house a makeover. So here's the before. Here's the before. And here. And now let's get started on the outside. No, you need that spider. No. Hey, that reminds me of that video where that guy ate that little girl's or little boy. I'm not sure if it's a little girl or little boy. Remember he ate the dragonfly? Like, no, spit it out, spit it out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and we're gonna line the floors and the walls with these door decorations that we got from the dollar store. So we're gonna cut, measure them out, cut them, and then just tape them in there. Okay, so we got the lining of the floors and the insides of the house with skulls. Now that's starting to look spooky. Now it's time to do the inside walls. For the inside walls, we're gonna make it look kind of like bubbly mad scientist witch potion with this outer wall decoration that we got at the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna cut it and we're gonna tape it in there. After opening it, we had thought that it was gonna be a bunch of miniature of those pictures. That's just one giant one, but that's okay because that'll make the rooms look even better. We'll try to make one room with those eyeballs, one room with those bubbling greenish, and different. The rooms will look even better. Okay, so we have two rooms done. Just 3 more to go. Okay, so this is how each room is looking. I like this room the best. Got candles and some eyeballs in that corner. Now it's time to put on some trimmings and decorations. We have some Halloween trim, so we're gonna go all around the rooms. Okay, so we tape that on, the outside decoration and trimming there. The next part is we need to decorate these side windows, and we're gonna put the orange trim around them. And we're just gonna tape them on. Still have a little of this trim left. We're gonna put a skull in each window before we put the trim in. This is how it's looking. Let's check it out. Decorations.
I like the cute.
So these are the windows trimmed.
Yeah.
The windows right there so far. And here's the windows trimmed on the other side. Now we have all these like little bug decorations.
And I got more.
We got some bone necklaces and some skeletons. So let's add those to the house. Oh, and for the bugs, we're gonna hack them to the house. We added some skeletons. There's one hanging on the balcony there. And up there. One hanging on top of the roof and one's climbing the roof. And definitely do a little tiny window there. And right now we're hot gluing on some bugs. So.
And we're done.
Okay, watch out. It's done.
And look at
Okay, here goes working. This is a lot of hard work. I think it took about 2 hours. And a trip to the dollar store. But it was worth it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah.